No, I can't go in there.
I'm in the boys' bathroom.
That is a woman's bathroom.
Yo, I'm not going in there.
Yes, come on.
I'm not going in the bathroom.
I don't need nothing else if I got you. You stole my heart away with the things that you do. And lately, you drive me crazy, baby. Maybe that's why I escaped.
2, 3. It's counting you off. Go.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to This Is L&S. Yes, we're doing the intro in our car today. We feel like, now that we don't work, we don't want to be at home so much.
F it.
We're at home like way too much. We need to get some fresh air, be more creative.
Now we have some freedom to expand and do whatever we want.
So today, LS gang, we are going to do a 24-hour handcuff challenge.
I would like to do the 24-hour handcuff challenge just to make sure we can still be around each other and not get annoyed for 24 hours. Are you ready for this? We're around each other every day, but it's different when you work with someone as well because you have to be around each other. It's like, whatever, let's get our work done. You do this, I do that, and we're together, but we're not really together.
So I guess that this is the official test to see how strong our relationship really is. Right now, guys, it is 11:02, and this is going to be a real legit 24-hour challenge. You will see that we'll be handcuffed all the way until 11:02 tomorrow morning. So without further ado, yes, I'm secured.
Secure?
Ow.
Oh, don't tighten it.
Mine's on hella tight.
You have a thick wrist. I'm not. I tightened it. Hey.
No. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to This Is L&S, and this is the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Boo.
Can't believe I wanted you.
Are you serious?
Switches eyes, I swear this is where you reside. Can't find her someone.
Can I have one tuxedo hot chocolate? Can I have one caramel macchiato? Give me my hand.
Yeah, I might take a bitch to outer space.
Come on.
I'm not gonna climb
You
over
come
there.
on this side.
There's more room on this side.
You are the smaller person, so you come out on my side.
By like 5 inches.
Come on.
God. How am I supposed to get all this?
Come on.
I have to crawl over the drinks?
Yes. It's okay. Sacrifice. 24-hour challenge. Come on now.
I don't like this.
Are you good? All right, we're good. We're good. We're
Not
good.
walking around and target like this. Put your hand down.
No. Let everyone know. 24-hour challenge. All right, first off, guys, it is cold as hell outside. And right now, we are taking the 24-hour challenge to Target because we have a few things that we need to buy. Right now, we got some Baby Alives going. We got some little gift tag stickers.
Some gift wrapping.
Gift wrapping, a little decoration thing.
I'm trying to figure out the tape.
Are you tired of everyone staring at us?
Yeah, I'm trying to hide behind the Baby Alives. So, are you coming on this side this time? What the hell are you doing? Ow! Come on.
Alright, guys, so we found our Baby Alive. They have a whole selection here at Toys R Us, so I think we're good to go, right? Guys, we're just trying to go over here to IHOP, okay?
I'm getting real tired of this. You're going out on this side. I'm not doing this.
Oh my god.
Hi, for 2.
We got a problem, guys. No, I can't go in there.
In the boys' bathroom.
That is a woman's bathroom.
Yo, I'm not going in there.
Yes, come on.
I'm not going in the bathroom.
We have to go, come on.
What's urinals here?
Come on, we have to go. I can't go in there. You would get in less trouble. If a guy went in the girls' bathroom, it'd be all bad.
Why don't they have gender neutral bathrooms? It's 2017.
No, this is gender neutral. Come on. Come on.
It stinks like that in here.
Alright, do your thing. LS gang, we'll be back. Alright guys, just giving you an update on time. It is 1:02 now, so. And we got our food.
Ready to eat. I'm not even right-handed. This is more difficult for me than it is for you.
Got tats on my arm, Papa's girl, now he pissed. They smoking bonbon, got bad on my lip. Protect for your mom, I love my cougar bitch. If I think she bad and I'm such a...
Alright guys, so we just got back inside the car. I timed it. It literally took us 4 full minutes to get back in our seats. Back to the crib. Hey, buddy! Guys, we are. Guys, we are finally. We are finally home. Honestly, the hardest thing so far for us is getting in and out of cars.
Honestly.
God, think about that.
We're used to the crazy
You guys like go in the
looks.
same door and go out the same door. Guys, I think a nap is well deserved. So we're gonna take a nap. We'll see you guys in about an hour.
1 hour later.
All right, LS gang. So we just woke up and it is exactly 3:32. Joseph woke us up and that's why he's recording now. How many hours do we have left? Let's do the math. We started at what time? I don't remember.
11.
11? So
3 to 4.
we got 20 more hours. So now to continue this video, guys. Morning, Stacks. You just wake up too? What are you doing?
Bad, cooking up dope with a Uzi. The 100 rounds too. My bitch.
Alright guys, so we just got to the mall here. And we just got kicked out of the mall for being handcuffed and because of Joseph, honestly, bro. He's the one. He had his camera, big camera, just walking around the mall. He's the reason why we got kicked out. Currently,
oh my god.
What?
I have a nail appointment at 6.
What the what do you mean?
I have a nail appointment at 6. This is the latest they can get me in before Christmas. It's the same one? Okay. Yeah. Such a liar. It's too cold.
Alright guys, another update. It is 6:24. Which means that we still have a long time. But at least we get to go home and chill for a second. As you see, she made me go with her to get her nails and all that done. So here we go. Alright, LS gang. What time is it, bro? Show them what time it is. 10:37 at night. It's about time to go to sleep. At home, it's not that bad because obviously you can just sit and chill. But like this is annoying. I gotta sit here with my arm extra extended. She can take her makeup off. We're gonna brush our teeth and then we're gonna go to sleep. Wake up tomorrow and then we have all the way till again 11:00. Whatever time I showed you guys, 11 something, and then we call it a day. That was it. 24-hour challenge done.
Why is your arm so heavy?
24-hour challenge successful. So
We got this. We're almost there.
we're not quitting, guys, because as soon as you take this off, done, disqualified. It was all for nothing. So
Really?
we're gonna finish it out.
I don't know about that.
What?
I might try to slide out in the middle of the night. I can't sleep. How am I gonna sleep? Like,
Perfect!
no, I want to move.
Oh god.
You know what? I'm done.
Stop! What is wrong with
I'm
you?
done.
Stop! Stop!
Cut my hand off.
You better not.
I'm done.
You better not. Stop. You better not. That is not funny. We got this.
I can't even wash my face. Like,
For the LS gang, we got this. Oh, damn! Extra.
you don't like to brush? You don't put water after? Or how do I do it?
Alright, LS gang, we're staying true to our word. We're going to sleep like this.
Sweater is on still.
We're waking up like this.
All right. Good night, guys. Love you.
Good night, guys. Love you. Peace.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, LS gang, I just woke up. It is about 3:22 in the morning, and I don't know if you guys can see it, but we are still handcuffed. So, here we go, LS gang. I'll see you guys in the morning. Peace. What's up, bro? And I'm gonna show you guys. It is 9:40 in the morning, and look at this. I can't believe, like, this is what. Can't believe people actually have done this. Like, this is crazy right here.
We're almost done.
Well, I know it's at least 10:32.
You have an hour and 6 minutes.
Well, what time do we do it again?
11:02. 3.
Okay. We're all handcuffed. I don't get when I take a shower doing the extras until we take us off. Like she's a woman. She always had like she needs a shower or she'll cry. But on there, guys. We'll see you at 11:01. Alright, guys. It is 11:01. We'll wait till as soon as it clicks 11:02.
I think it might have been 11:03. So let's just.
11:03?
I
I
swear.
want to go one more minute.
I would be so sad if we just didn't wait that 1 minute and then we didn't do a 24-hour challenge.
They might as well wait till 11:04, just in case then.
Was it 11:08?
Don't do that. Oh my god.
No, I think it was 11:04 or 3. So we'll do 11:05.
As you see, LS gang, we were successful in the 24-hour handcuff challenge. Were you happy because we were successful or happy to be free from me?
Honestly, I was happy to be free. I don't like the feeling of just being chained and can't even roll over when I'm sleeping. It's not you, it's the handcuffs.
You should try it. Try it with your mama, your
No,
grandma, your
don't
boyfriend,
try
your
it.
girlfriend. Try it with everyone. Hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Join the gang. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.
Lucky charms on my wrist, got tats on my arm, Papa's girl, now he pissed. They smoking bonbon, got backwoods on my lip. Protect for your mom, I love my cougar bitch. If I think she bad enough, so she get hit. She gon' bust it down like she do 36.
One.